Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I always bring some fun and easy technique for creating cool artworks so that you can also create and have fun with it. Today I am using this Staedtler Luna watercolor pencil for painting some flowers. These pencils can be used for sketching and for painting with water and brush. I actually used this before for sketching, but I never really used this pencil before for painting with water and brush. So let's try using this for creating our today's artwork and see how it will turn out. I'm creating a mini painting today for which I'm outlining a square so that I can paint everything in between. Let's start with the painting. Make these C shapes with your watercolor pencil, which will be the center part of our flower. Now by using our wet brush, spread the color so that it will take a shape of the petal. Repeat this technique for creating more petals around the center. If your pencil is not much darker on the paper, you can try wetting the tip of the pencil for the darker color. Spread the color evenly and don't bother about the shape and the size of the petal because it will look more beautiful in this way. I am a beginner with watercolor painting, but trust me, it is so much fun to do that. With bright flowing colors and carefree brush strokes, watercolor paint is symbolic of freshness.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner.
Once we complete painting all the flowers, now we can add few leaves with a vibrant green shade. You can directly create a leaf shape and then spread the color evenly with wet brush.
They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
After everything will dry, outline the square with marker or a fine liner. Now cut the excessive part of the paper and our mini painting is ready with roses and the leaves. I never thought these watercolor pencils can turn out so well. I'm glad about the end result. I had lots of fun while painting this for you guys. What do you think about this cute mini painting? Share your thoughts in comment box and also give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends if you found this technique super fun. And support my channel by subscribing it. And I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, bye!